Let me tell you a secret. I was afraid of English grammar. Yes, very afraid. Tenses, prepositions, and articles were difficult for me. When I opened a grammar book, I felt tired. Sometimes I thought, maybe I'm not good at English. I even believed that I could never learn grammar. But one day, something changed. It was a small change, but it changed everything. From that day, grammar was not my enemy anymore. It became my friend. Today, I want to tell you my story. Maybe it will help you too. If I can learn grammar, you can learn it too. So, let's begin. I remember my school days. My English teacher always said, learn the grammar rules. I tried to learn them, but there were too many rules. Past tense, present tense, future tense, perfect tense. The names were long and confusing. Before every exam, I memorized everything. After the exam, I forgot everything. The next day, I could not remember the rules. I felt sad. I felt weak. Sometimes I wanted to stop learning. I thought only very smart people could understand grammar. But deep inside, I still wanted to speak English well. I wanted to speak with confidence. I just did not know how. One day, I went to the library. I wanted to borrow a storybook. Then I saw a man sitting in a quiet corner. He was reading a grammar book. But he was smiling. I was surprised. I asked him, "Do you really enjoy grammar?" He smiled and said, "Yes, I do." I asked, "How?" He said, "I don't only read grammar rules. I use grammar in real life. I make simple examples. I tell small stories. I have fun with grammar." His words stayed in my mind. They gave me hope. That night, I went home. I looked at my old grammar books. Then I took a small notebook. I wrote, Day 1, present simple. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I sleep at 10 p.m. Only 5 sentences. That was enough. It felt easy. The next day, I wrote the same ideas in the past tense. Day 2, past simple. I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I ate breakfast, I went to work, I slept at 10 p.m. Now grammar was connected to my real life. It was not just a rule in a book. That made learning much easier. Then I started talking to myself in English. Yes, it sounds funny, but it worked. Every evening I asked myself, what did I do today? Then I answered. I went to the market. I bought some apples. I cooked dinner. I watched TV. Every day I practiced a little. I also watched English cartoons. I turned on English subtitles. I listened carefully. I repeated the sentences. I copied the speaker's voice. Little by little, my English became better. I also wrote very short stories. For example, yesterday I visited my grandmother. She made tea, we talked and laughed together. I came home happy. The stories were simple, but they helped me practice grammar every day. Sometimes I made mistakes, many mistakes, but I did not feel bad. I smiled. Every mistake taught me something new. Mistakes became my teachers. I did not study for many hours. I did not join expensive classes. I only made one promise. I will learn one small thing every day. One grammar point, one example, one new sentence. That was enough. After 3 months, I could use many tenses. After 6 months, I spoke English with more confidence. After 1 year, grammar was no longer scary. It became easy. It became normal. It became my friend. Then I learned the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. They are simple. A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. For example, teacher, school, book. A pronoun replaces a noun. For example, he, she, it, they. A verb shows an action, eat, run, read, sleep. An adjective describes a noun, tall boy, red apple, happy child. An adverb describes a verb, walk slowly, speak clearly, run quickly. A preposition shows place or time, in, on, at, under, before. A conjunction joins words or sentences, and, but, because. An interjection shows feelings. Wow. Oh, hooray. I did not try to memorize everything. I made funny sentences. For example, wow, the red dog jumped on the table and barked loudly. Learning became a game. Grammar became fun. My friend, listen carefully. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to practice. Grammar is not only for exams. Grammar helps you share your ideas. Start with simple sentences. Talk about your daily life. Present tense, I eat rice. I go to school. Past tense, I ate rice. I went to school. Future tense, I will eat rice. I will go to school. You are already learning. Keep your practice simple. Keep it fun. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake helps you become better. Now, when someone says, grammar is boring, I smile because I know the truth. Grammar is not your enemy. Grammar is your helper. It helps you speak clearly. It helps people understand you. If I could learn grammar, you can too. Take one small step today, take another step tomorrow, never stop. One day, you will speak English with confidence. And when someone asks, how did you learn English grammar? You will smile and say, let me tell you a story. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to HM Slow English for more updates.